In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a Steam gift card. So first of all, you need to open your Steam application, or you can also go to the Steam website, log into your account, and from the top of the screen, tap on the Steam icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, you need to go ahead and tap on Settings. Now from Settings, go to the Account section, and here you'll get the option of Account Details. Tap on that. This will take you to your account page. Once you're there, you need to click on Add Funds to your Steam Wallet option, which is under the Store and Purchase History. You can also get the wallet page by clicking on your username and then View My Wallet. Both methods work. So clicking on Add Funds to your Steam Wallet will take you a page where it asks you to add funds using a card. Instead, look on the right side below your current wallet balance and you'll see a Redeem Steam gift card or wallet code option. Go ahead and click on there. And after it loads, enter your Steam wallet code and press on continue. It will show you the value and you can confirm whether you want to add it to your account or not. Once you've added it, you can use it for games. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.